Hi everyone, it's Rebecca Twitchell at Half Full. It's good to see you. I hope you're well, and thank you so much for spending a couple of minutes with me right now so I can update you on some cool things happening at the business. First of all, happy anniversary to you. Yes, to you. We're excited to share that this month marks 17 years since Half Full has been in business, and we could not have done that without you. Our clients, our partners, our friends, our family, our supporters, our fans, our followers, so many of you have been with us throughout this incredible 17-year journey, and we could not have done it without you. So yes, it's your anniversary too. And we are very much looking forward to what the next 17 years have in store. Stay tuned. We, the Half Full team, will be celebrating our 17th year anniversary the Half Full way, and you are invited to join us. We will be giving back our time and volunteering at community partner site Harvest Kitchen in Pawtucket, Rhode Island on Friday, February 4th. Please feel free to join us. Harvest Kitchen has a phenomenal mission. Please check out their website below. And they're also a team building partner of Half Fulls. Together, we provide very intentional, purposeful, fun, and very inspiring days of service for our clients who are looking to put community engagement into their team building activities for their team. Please join us. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna celebrate hard by serving and giving back, and we'd love to have you with us. Just let us know if you'd like to join, and we'll add you to the list. And next, you guys, we've added more merch to our online store. We're very excited about this, especially the fanny packs. I cannot even tell you how excited we are about these fanny packs. Yes, we know that they are gonna sell. Check out the link below, check out the store, and you can buy these things knowing how much fun you're gonna have with each piece of apparel. But also don't forget, you know that half of who we are is about being a for-profit, but the full is about giving back. The proceeds for these merch items go towards the workshops and the retreats that we offer to teenagers in the greater Providence area at no cost to them or their families. So buy 15 fanny packs knowing that you are helping serve the teenagers, the youth of the greater Providence area as part of Half Full's Do Well, Do Good business model. So in summary, again, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Happy anniversary. Join us on February 4th as we celebrate by giving back to Harvest Kitchen, and buy a lot of merch and share the merch with your friends and tell them to buy merch too. Thank you so much for everything. Please stay tuned. We have so many cool announcements coming up about new partners, new team building activities, new ways of building positive culture. It's just a chock full of goodness here. So please stay tuned, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.